If you are tired of losing money back to back, why not learn this alpha strategy I created myself? And you can be making profit back to back easily like this. You only enter trade when there is confirm 100% confirmation. Let me teach you exactly how to do this. First of all, we are going to be using two indicators. One of the most popular indicators is going to be the BB, which is the Bollinger Bands. Turn it on. Then the next indicator is going to be the EMA cross. Tap it and you should get something that looks like this. So now I believe you already know how to turn up how to hide your volatility. You can see I'm going to come here and click on hide right here. If I click on hide, you can see that the candlesticks are gone because we are going to be needing it, right? We want only the indicators to be showing. Now what I'm going to be doing right now, we're going to be doing some settings to the Bollinger Band. So go to the settings on the Bollinger right here, go to the input and change the number to 30. Simple, we have to change it to 30. Then the style, I'm only going to be changing the median and I'm going to be increasing the thickness. That's all. I'm not going to change the color, just the thickness, and then I turn off these two. Can you see that? That's all I'm going to do. The next one is the EMA cross. I'm going to go to the EMA cross settings, and then the input, I'm going to change this short to 8 and then the long to 20. Easy as that. Then I'm going to go to the style. I'm going to be using black, then second thickness. Then for the long, I'm going to be using red, second thickness. Then for the last one, which is crosses, I'm going to be using black, and I pick third thickness. Simple as that. I turn off the labels and the values, and okay, now I should have something that looks exactly like this. Now you might be asking, how do you trade? Now if you took a very close look at the market, we have three lines together, right? We have the black, the red, and the orange. Now you only enter a trade, upward, which means you only buy when the red and the black is above the orange and there is a three-way intersection. Can you see how that cross is intersecting both the red and the black? Whenever there's an intersection like that, you only want to enter for the buy or upward. Remember, the three of them must intersect with the plus in between. You don't want something like this. You can see this one, only the black and the red intersect, but the orange did not intersect along with them. Avoid this. Only enter a buy whenever the red and the black is above the orange. Now what about how do you take for a sell? Simple. For a sell, you want to do something like this, but this one is not a perfect example, but just a light example. You want to make sure that the red and the black is going below the orange with a plus, that black plus intersecting all the three of them. And I mean something like this, something like this. So when this is formed, all you need to do is to enter your trade for a sell around here, because by the time you want to enter, the market is already moving. Put your stop loss above the black. Target 1:2 risk to reward ratio. 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and voila, you can see we hit TP. Can you see that? I'm going to do this again. So let's try out for which other one. Make sure the intersection is very, very clean. Okay, we can still manage this one. This one is still okay. I'm going to enter for a buy. Yeah, put my stop loss below the black, and then target 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and you can see I hit TP again over and over again. This works practically all the time. It's called alpha strategy. I practically created this strategy myself. Now please note, this strategy is not 100% guaranteed. It's not 100% a win rate, but I can teach you exactly how to increase the win rate of this strategy by using the Bollinger squeeze, which is something I want to teach on my class. But if you think I give you value, why not give me a follow? If you are looking for a community that can help you turn your $10 to $100 or more by using free daily signals, all you have to do is to use the link on my bio and be part of the Telegram community absolutely for free, and then you can be cashing out on a daily basis like us. But if you want to go beyond just free signals and you want to learn how to be a profitable trader by yourself, all you have to do is to DM me directly via the number on my bio, and you can get access to my course, or you can enroll for a one-on-one mentorship program. I'll be glad to assist you. See you inside.